Hello classmates, this is Tina Gauthier posting my news summary 2. The case that I will be discussing is Equality Florida et al. Versus Florida State Board of Education et al. Of 2022. Governor Ron DeSantis signed into law Florida's Parental Rights in Education Act, also referred to as Don't Say Gay law, prohibiting classroom instruction on sexual orientation and gender identity from kindergarten to 3rd grade, and restricted discussions in higher grades to what is deemed age appropriate by the state. Advocacy groups Equality Florida and Family Equality filed a lawsuit in 2022 alleging the law violates constitutional rights of free speech, equal protection, and due process of students and families. The legal question here is, does Florida Parental Rights in Education Act violate the First Amendment's free speech protections and the 14th Amendment equal protection and due process rights? The relief sought is to have the law declared unconstitutional and blocked from enforcement, arguing it violates the First and 14th Amendment rights. First Amendment in this case questions whether the law places restrictions on classroom speech, infringing both teachers' and students' rights to freedom of expression, identified as unlawful censorship. The 14th Amendment prohibits discrimination by government and their right to equal protection opportunities. The Parental Rights in Education Act, just to give some background, of 2022, prohibits the instruction of sexual orientation and gender identity. The law aims to give parents greater control over what their children are exposed to in the classroom, specifically topics related to LGBTQ plus communities or sexual orientation. Title IX of Education Amendments prohibits discrimination on the basis of sex in educational programs and activities that receive federal funding. As interpreted, it protects LGBTQ plus students from discrimination. Therefore, the Parental Rights in Education Act can be challenged under anti-discriminatory principles. Resolution considerations. Is this unlawful restrictions on speech? The courts would consider whether the Parental Rights in Education Act infringes on the First Amendment rights of educators and students. It also brings the question, does it violate the equal protection principles under the 14th Amendment? So here we will examine whether or not the law discriminates against the LGBTQ plus students from equal education rights in education settings. And it also brings into consideration Title IX protections and whether or not they're being violated as anti-discrimination protections. The relevant statutory laws that are reviewed in this case were Tinker v. Des Moines Independent Community School District 1969, where it was established that students do not lose their constitutional First Amendment rights of free speech unless the speech causes a substantial disruption. Board of Education v. Pico of 1982, the Supreme Court ruled that school boards cannot remove books from libraries solely based on content being controversial or disagreeable. And Title IX protections against discrimination based on gender identify as it violates federal anti-discrimination protections. So the court findings of the initial lawsuit, there was an initial lawsuit and a settlement. The initial lawsuit was dismissed. It did not demonstrate a direct injury caused by the law. Subsequent settlement clarifies the scope of the law, specifically activities are not prohibited. The reasoning, dismissal was based on the procedural grounds, not the merit of the constitutional claims. The settlement provided clarity on the law's application, ensuring certain expressions and discussions related to LGBTQ plus topics are not unlawfully restricted. The significance of this case, it highlights the ongoing legal debates surrounding educational content related to sexual orientation, gender identity, balancing parental rights, free speech, and anti-discrimination policies. The case identifies the importance of clear legislative language and the need to uphold students' constitutional rights. The discussion set a precedent regarding LGBTQ rights, and it could be cited to argue that the Parental Rights in Education Act infringes on equal rights of LGBTQ+ students by creating a discriminatory environment which could impact their access to education. And this concludes my post for News 2. Thank you so much. Have a good day.